The one thing that will keep this place alive is the vibe. So this is called Vibes. And it's got a very hypnotic beat. So you might find yourself going off at a tangent like I do. When I did this, honestly, you won't believe this, I did a gig in a laundromat in San Francisco. It was a venue called Brainwash. And when I did it, and I played this tune, some people stood up because it's like a second national anthem. Thank you, it's called Vibes. Now you know, sorry. Now you know what I love about being alive? It's just being able to pick up vibes. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. I said straight vibes, cool vibes, hate vibes, blue vibes, vibes. I'm talking about vibes. I said vibes that are serious, vibes that are old, vibes that are dangerous, vibes that are cool. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. Vibes are for me, vibes are for you, vibes are for people and everything you do. Vibes are for places and everywhere you go. Vibes are for drugs when you're moving too slow. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. Can you feel the vibe of the space? It's electric, it's hectic, it's just vibes. Instrumental break. But that's what it's like if you're slightly aware. You pick up vibes everywhere. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. And call me a hippie, and call me a hippie. Tell me I'm weird and say that I'm trippy. But the one thing I love about being alive is just being able to pick up vibes. I said vibes. Can you clap? Can you clap? Thank you. Okay, we're going to take a break.